And then we're gonna sleep here. Let's go in. What is that?
Push it, push.
Oh. This is... The room is big. Oh, they have like this.
Oh, they have like this pa. Tapos may
And this is the room.
fridge and microwave.
This is our room. This is our may tubig. But
Ay, may tubig pala. Opo.
And there's a bunk. Wait, I will go. The room is like over here. It's like that. I've already chosen a bed, so yeah. So we're gonna sleep here. And then our daddy will see. And that's the view. Isn't it pretty? Oh my god. It's super pretty. Look at the view. It's so pretty right now. And
Let me see nga what's up there. Wow! Oo, nilak pa yung sasakyan. Wow!
Come on, here. Come on, look at him.
Hi, Mama. Hi, Papa. We're here now. Hello, Mama. Hello, Papa. We just got here.
We're overlooking the ocean there.
Take a look. I can do it. Mama, there's my... Hello? I didn't bring it. Hello.
Wala tayong TV.
It's okay lang para yung ano sila sa...
Sleep ako, Ma.
Sige.
Para malayo naman sila sa...
Magkano to, Ma?
Wow!
What?
Magkano tong bahay na ito? Ito kaya magiging bahay ko.
Mag-sleep. Oh, yun na yung ano, yung ocean. Let's go.
Let's go. How to open?
Oo. Hey, kanino to? Katie, sa'yo ata yan. Right?
Not mine. It's mine one. Baby.
Let's go. Oh, they have a door. Go, Rai. Is that biting? I will show you.
Dala.
Mommy, we're gonna make a pool.
Yes.
Malaki mo pool.
Okay na yan! Ikaw ko ang lahat. Pati na rin ang iyong pangalan. Sasamahan kita.
Magpili na kayo dyan.
Yan. May water, oh, di ba? Wow.
When mommy mixes it, can you sleep again?
Yes. Pag may time ulit. Attendance, ano yun?
You can just, like, Mama, I want to go there. Mama, I want to go there.
Night na, oh, madilim na dyan, oh. Madilim
May,
na.
may ihi ng mermaid. Oo, may ihi ng Mami ng giant. Mami, sabi natin, ihi ng dayan.
No?
Mama, ihi ng dayan ba yan?
Wala po.
May dayan dito.
Wala po. Joke lang
Meron?
yun.
Asan nakita mo? Doon. Nakita ko yung face niya. Di ba, ate? Hindi. Kamukha mo. Ikaw yun. Papatayin ko yun mamaya. May lumihel ka, tsaka may ano ka, dito. Di ba, ate? At tsaka long hair ka. And then, pink hair, long hair. At tsaka yung seaweed na saan, hubad ka, tsaka yung seaweed.
That one, oh, get mo yun, oh, ayun, oh. Ayun, oh. That one, oh.
This one?
Yes.
Wow!
Wow, get your bucket. Wow. Lahat na yan, ah.
Mommy, can get one.
Oy, your head. Worm.
A green one.
Yeah, what's that?
Snake.
Ay, what's that? Carrie, don't touch it, ah.
Why?
That one, oh. Kate, alis ka dyan para may ilaw. Yan o, ayan o. Oh, it's like a snake. Casey?
Mommy, let's get it.
Rai, where are you? Rai.
Yeah,
Ate, where's Ate Clary?
there.
Sleeping. Ayaw mo siya. Para mag-rest na.